various cultures that we've interacted with, the dances,
Absolutely.
the costumes.
And even the songs which celebrate Zanskar and its culture. Today at Purne, it was amazing when Stanzin was singing that song about, the beauty of Zanskar and how it might be still winter in Shimla, but it's all ready for harvest and nice and green in Zanskar. I think that was really nice. And the fact that they have a song that talks about preserving the local culture despite all the development that's going on around.
WBB!
We also stayed at very simple but extremely warm homes in Rangdum and Padum and in Purne. The kind of culture they have is something that ought to be experienced by every single person, just because to understand the simplicity of living.
Most drivers who've done lots of driving will tell you that a car and a driver have the same relationship that a rider and a horse have.
Second highest horse polo field in the world.
The good thing is that, we are coming to regions that have not been explored before.
And these are such amazingly pristine places. Rangdum, which seems like as if you're in a land that hasn't been touched by anyone else before. It's in the middle of nowhere. Or Purne, for example, which is perched on that little, hill. It's really beautiful. It's almost like as if you're sitting in an eagle's eyrie, Such a beautiful place, and you can see why it's so remote and still holds that little, treasure of what it has.
There's also the aspect of the ill effects of rampant tourism. Like maybe 2 or 3 years from now, you could be seeing an explosion of tourists, vehicles, which is why it's important to do it the right way, which means don't carry packaged water bottles, plastic bottles, and leave no trace, going forward, it becomes very important to kind of preserve this area because it's fragile.
We've messed up the cities already, and it will be a shame if we really don't protect what is truly pristine. I think it's an incredible thing to travel by road and do an extreme overland drive, and with a great company like Wander Beyond Boundaries, which really showcases the best of a region that hasn't been explored before.